Hello everyone, and welcome to an English lesson. We ask for directions. Hello, excuse me. Hello, excuse me. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I need some help. I need some help. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Where is the city centre, please? Where is the city centre, please?
Go through the park. Go through the park. Turn left. Turn left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. Where is the train station? Where is the train station?
Go straight. Go straight. Then turn right. Then turn right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop?
Cross the street. Cross the street. Go straight. Go straight. It's on the right. It's on the right.
Thank you.
No problem.
Excuse me. Where is the toilet, please? Where is the toilet, please? Turn left. Turn left. Go straight. Go straight. Is it far? Is it far? No, it's not far. No, it's not far. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm looking for a shop. I'm looking for a shop.
Turn right. Turn right. It's on the left. It's on the left.
Thank you.
No problem.
Excuse me. Where is a hotel? Where is a hotel?
Turn left. Turn left. It's next to the bank. It's next to the bank.
Can you show me on the map, please? Can you show me on the map, please?
Of course. Of course. Here it is. Here it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. Where is the bank? Where is the bank?
Go straight. Go straight. And it's on the right. And it's on the right.
Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please?
Go straight, and it's on the right. Go straight, and it's on the right.
I understand. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Excuse me, I'm lost. Excuse me, I'm lost. Where is the main square? Where is the main square?
Go straight. It's at the end of the street. Go straight. It's at the end of the street.
I don't understand. Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please?
Go straight. It's at the end of the street. Go straight. It's at the end of the street.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Thank you for watching. Great job today. Let's keep it up in the next video.